My name's Jimmy. I'm a 35-year-old water person who lives and works here at the tower. For about the next 40 minutes or so, I'll be your guide. What we're going to do? We'll take a walk through history. We'll stop every now and then. I'll point out the historic buildings. And I'll try and tell you a little bit, but it will only be a little bit about their fascinating history. After that, it's time to get yourselves into all the accessible parts of this tower and find it all for yourselves. Now, before we go, I like who I'm talking to, so let's find out. I'm an Englishman, very proud of that fact. Hands up here if you're English. Well, you've got nothing to worry about. All right, you have a great time. Anyone here from Scotland? Yes, well, you've got some coming, so get your ears back. Anyone from Australia? Yeah, you on holiday or parole? Welcome home. Anyone from New Zealand? That's sort of Australian but honest, really. Let's be serious. Anyone from America? Well, I'm going to use a word called history. I will absolutely confuse you lot. You haven't got any. Just think, if you just paid your taxes, that could all still be yours. But it's not. Nobody else, I'm going to get you to go around, so do not think you've got away with it. Right, story begins here, and the year is 1066. William the Duke of Normandy, William the Conqueror somehow, don't ask me how, but he did, defeats the Anglo-Saxon Howard II in the Battle of Hastings. It will never happen again. In a defensive wall, 50 foot high. Out a defensive wall, 22 foot thick. Remember I said, that was built in 1280, and look, we've nearly finished it. Now between the two, on that wall there, all the way down here to where you see that fence, that temporary fence, this here is known as Mint Street. It was here, coins of the realm, designed and minted till the year 1810. Water length. This was the year of 1274. We'd all be treading water now. Because this was the River Thames. It flowed straight through here and it lapped against that wall behind you. In 1275 they begin, somehow, push the river back, build the outer wall, and raise the bed of this road 18 feet. Behind us there is one of the most famous, some might say infamous gates in the world, Traitors' Gate.
Guys, the building in my back, this one is the Sky Garden. On the top floor, somewhere up here, there is a tropical garden. Inside there are two restaurants if you want to enjoy an evening or daytime in London. this is the best place, and they also serve those people who eat halal food, but you have to pre-order a day before, but the chicken is always halal. I've been there, a very nice place.
Have mercy upon my miserable soul. Now as she did this, the executioner quietly retrieved his sword from its hiding place, and he stood behind the queen. Now he said something in the lines of, "Boy, bring me my sword!" This startled the queen from her prayers, and she looked up and she looked into the gathered crowd, stood as you are now. Now as she did this movement, her neck went into the correct position for the executioner to strike. And strike he did. One swift movement.
Inside they found 2 skeletons. They were checked at the time.